pagpili ng tamang vehicle insurance is crucial for protecting you, your family, and your car in case of accidents. Kaya ano ba ang mga factors sa pagpili? Dito sa ating What You Need to Know, number 13, ito ang mga key factors to keep in mind when choosing the right vehicle insurance. Number 1, coverage options. Sa pagpili ng car insurance coverage, make sure to look for policies that offer comprehensive coverage, including protection against damage, theft, and liability, and medical expenses. Number 2, good customer service. Mahalaga ang good customer service sa pagpili ng insurance provider, especially sa panahon ng claims and inquiries. Do a research about the company or mag-message sa kanilang social media pages kung willing ba sila mag-assist sa'yo anytime. Number 3, company reputation. Mahalaga din ito if legit ba or hindi lang mabuti sa umpisa ang company. Look for reviews, ratings, and feedbacks online about their experiences from the company. Make sure to find a reliable, fast, and financially secured company. Number 4, pricing. Compare insurance costs from different providers and make sure to consider ang mga factors such as deductibles, premiums, and mga discounts na pwede nila ma-offer. Always din tandaan ang pinakamurang option may not always be the best option. Number 5, claims process. Tingnan muna kung ang mga claims process ng kumpanya ay mabilis ba at kung gaano nila i-handle ang claims process. Make sure na efficient ang claims process nila to save your time and stress during a difficult situation. And that's it. Please take note sa mga tips na ito if kukuha ka ng vehicle insurance. At kung wala ka pang vehicle insurance, mag-message dito para sa libreng quotation. Alam mo ba kung ano ang gagawin if nabangga ka or nakabangga ka? Claims process guide may DC dito sa ating What You Need to Know segment number 14. Follow these steps to get your car back on track and ensure a smooth and successful claim. Number 1, notify your insurance provider. Pag na-aksidente kayo at nag-require ng insurance claim, tumawag agad sa insurance provider nyo. Mag-provide ng necessary details such as date, time, and location of the incident at kung ano ang nangyari. Number 2, gather documentation and information. This includes photographs, police reports, medical records, receipts, and any evidence na related sa incident. Number 3, meet with the insurance adjuster. Contact the insurance adjuster to schedule an appointment or visit the location where the incident occurred. Mag-cooperate fully at mag-provide them lahat ng requested information about the incident. Number 4, await claim evaluation and negotiation. Hintayin na mag-contact sila sa iyo after nila ma-evaluate ang mga damages and coverages. Humingi ng date kung kailan ka nila makatawagan or ikaw ang tatawag sa kanila if accepted ang claims nyo about the negotiation. I-review ng maigi or maghanap ng tao na makakatulong sa iyo about sa offer ng insurance provider nyo. Number 5, finalize the claim and follow up. Before mag-sign ng any documents, make sure muna na basahin at unawain ang terms and conditions dito. Make sure to communicate with them and follow up with the company if meron kang tanong or clarifications. And that's it. Sana ay may matutunan kayo sa mga steps na ito. At kung naghahanap ka ng magandang insurance provider, mag-message na dito para ma-assist namin kayo at mabigyan kayo ng libreng quotation.